It's quite a tale, isn't it? Imagine a bustling farm churning out crops and livestock, only to suddenly shut its gates. Grace Kennedy Farm, nestled in Clarendon, was a hive of activity back in the late 1970s and early 1980s. They grew everything from juicy tomatoes, cucumbers, sweet peppers, onions, you name it. But like any venture, they faced challenges. Production costs were high, market prices were low, and competition from imports was fierce. To top it off, government policies weren't exactly giving them a thumbs up. Enter Edward Seaga, Jamaica's prime minister from 1980 to 1989. Now, Seaga had his own farm, Spring Plain, also in Clarendon, but it seemed Grace Kennedy's farm was outshining his. Then comes the mysterious visit. Seaga strolls in with some pals from Israel, giving the place a once-over. The very next day, bam! Grace Kennedy Farm announces its closure. Workers were left scratching their heads, tears flowing, wondering what hit them. But why? Why would a successful farm suddenly throw in the towel? Rumors swirled, but answers were scarce. And just as quickly as Grace Kennedy Farm closed, Israel banana product sprouted up in its place. So, what really went down? Did Seaga and his Israeli buddies have a hand in the farm's demise? Was there some behind-the-scenes deal we missed? It's a tale that leaves more questions than answers. But one thing's for sure, the sudden end of Grace Kennedy Farm remains a curious chapter in Jamaica's agricultural history.